السلام عليكم طلاب المرحلة الثانية قسم اللغة الإنجليزية. نبدأ على بركة الله المحاضرة الثانية لمادة الاستيعاب. Today lesson 19 A very dear cat. قطة عزيزة جدا. Kidnappers are rarely interested in animals. Rarely it is means seldom, نادرا, or infrequently in animals, interested in animals, but they recently took considerable it is means large or big or huge interest in Mrs. Eleanor Ramsey cat. Mrs. Eleanor Ramsey, a very wealthy it is means rich, old lady, has shared a flat with her cat, Rostis, it is name Rostis, for a great many years. Rostis led on orderly life, it is means ordinary life. He usually takes a short walk in the evenings and is always home by 7 o'clock. One evening, however, he failed to arrive. Mrs. Ramsey got very worried. Very worried, it is anxious, or troubled. She looked everywhere for him, but could not find him. 3 days after Rosti's disappearance, it is mean passing, unexisted. Mrs. Ramsey received an anonymous letter. It is means unknown. It is verbal or expressed verbally or writing. Okay? Unknown, unnamed letter من مجهول, رسالة مجهولة. The writer stated it is means said or expressed verbally or writing by word that Rosist was in safe hands and would be returned immediately, it is directly, promptly, if Mrs. Ramsey paid a ransom, it is means pay off, fidya, of £1,000. Mrs. Ramsey was interested to place the money in a cardboard box. Mrs. Ramsey was instructed to place the money in a cardboard box and leave it outside her door. تعليمات, instructed, it is requested to place the money in a cardboard box and leave it outside her door. At first, she decided to go to the police, but fearing that she would never see Rosist again, the letter had made that quite clear. She changed her mind. It is means changing her decision. You know? Look, she changed her mind. She changed her decision. غيرت قرارها أو رأيها. She take £1,000 from her bank and followed the kidnappers' instructions. The next morning, the box had disappeared, but Mrs. Ramsey was sure that the kidnapper would keep his word. Sure enough, Rosist arrived punctually exactly at 7 o'clock that evening. He looked very well, though he was rather thirsty, for he drank half a bottle of milk. The police were astounded, shocked, when Mrs. Ramsey told them what she had done. She explained that Rosist was very dear to her. Considering the amount she paid, he was dear in more ways than one. طلابنا الأعزاء، بعد ما كملنا القراءة وبينا معظم الكلمات، المطلوب من عندكم طبعا السؤال الأول اللي هو طبعا 9 أسئلة متعلقة بالقطعة، المعلومات عن القطعة. الفوكابيولاري احنا حليناه، المعاني، الكلمات، المرادفات، وأتمنى أيضا ترجعوا لهن وهذا تتركوهن إلى حد. الملتيبل تشويس جدا مهم، الملتيبل تشويس، وكذلك الستركتشر. إضافة إلى ذلك يوجد عندنا التمرين اللي بالبداية، هذا الكمبرهنشن. In not more than 80 words describe how Mrs. Ramsey cat was returned to her. Do not include anything that is not in the last paragraph. طبعا اللي أريد منكم أيضا تكتبون مختصر لا يقل عن 80 كلمة توصفون بها القصة بالكامل، متخلين عن الباراجراف الأخير طبعا، وحاولوا بقدر الإمكان تستخدمون كلماتكم الخاصة. أتمنى لكم كل التوفيق طلاب، مع السلامة.